Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can get Temu credit, so let's get right into it. Now, to get Temu credit, you don't need to pay for it. If you want to just purchase items off of Temu, you can freely just use your credit card and you can purchase your items that way. However, Temu credit is something that they have added so that you can get a better return. For example, if you're returning items and if you're getting a refund, you can ask for Temu credit, or I'm pretty sure that's the only thing that you can get. You can get Temu credit, which you can then spend on their store on other items. You can also get Temu credit as part of their late delivery policy, and you can also do so by participating in their activities. Now, as for activities, I'm not exactly sure where you would go for them. They have changed some of these things, so you can participate in some of them. I'm not sure if they're mini games or something of the sort, but you can participate in them, and you can also get Temu credit if you join the affiliate program. If you go into the program, as you can see, you can make referrals or get referrals from your friends and send them links to register and buy items, and once they do, you'll get Temu credit, and I'm pretty sure you can also withdraw it to your PayPal account or to other accounts as well. But yeah, that is pretty much all the ways in which you can get Temu credit. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.